it's a change of character on the daily. All right, you can see. Now, from here, what do we do? Okay, so we go to a 4-hour time frame, right? So what's happening on this 4 hour? Let's look at the latest price action. So let me delete this daily zone. Okay, we know that we are bullish already. There's a change of character on the daily to the bullish, right? So on the 4 hour, what's the latest price action we have? We have a change of character somewhere here. Okay, at this point, there's a change of character at this zone, this point. Okay, now let's go to 1 hour time frame to make it more clearer. Okay, so you can see the zone here, change of character. All right, so there's a clear change of character on the 1 hour here. Okay, so let me put the text in there of change of character. Yes, so we have change of character there. What next? Delete this. So I don't want the drawing to be too rough. All right, so after the change of character, we have a break of structure also after that. So that gives us the confirmation that yes, we still continue to be bullish. Okay, we have a break of structure here after this high. So let me annotate that. So now, after we have the break of structure, what do we expect? We expect price to come down and clear this liquidity before going up. That means we expect price to do something like this, come to this and move back up. This is what we're expecting price to do. Right. So where is the point of interest we are looking at? First of all, you can see all this downside. Yes, there are liquidity lying there. A lot of liquidity lying there. You can see those wicks. Yes, you can see those wicks. You can see. So there's a lot of liquidity lying there. So I like to annotate the liquidity with that red flag, right? So a lot of liquidity lying there. So where is my point of interest? It is this last bearish candle, this last red candle. That was last bearish candle before this bullish upturn to the upside. Okay, so now pick out my Fibonacci to measure the 50% of that candle. Oops, sorry. All right, so pick my Fibonacci 2. Oops. All right, so measuring the 50% of that candle is somewhere here. That's 50%. Let me delete the Fibonacci 2. Yes, that's 50% of that candle. All right, so I have my point of entry. All right, I have somewhere here 50% of the candle. Put stop loss. I like to do stop loss below the swing low, the last low, then TP the high. So this is a 1:2.85 trade if you get activated here. All right, but I'd like to refine my entries a little bit much more. All right, so let me go to 15 minutes time frame. What do I see there? What do I see on 15 minutes time frame? Remember, all these annotations, change of characters, break of structures are all from 1 hour time frame. Okay, we're just looking for entry on this 15 minutes time frame. So I like using this candle, this last candle here on the 15 minutes time frame. I like using the high of the candle. The stop loss still below here also, still the same. So it's either I adjust my entry, I put my entry at 50% on the 15 minutes order block candle, or I put my entry at this point. If I put my entry at this point, then I'll be seeing a 1 ratio 3.86 on this trade. That means if I'm risking $10 on this trade, I'll be winning $13.6. That's the ratio 1 to 3.86. But if I put my entry at this point, the first line, which is 50% of the 15 minutes time frame order block candle, then I will be gaining 1 to 2.92. That means if I risk $10 on this trade, I'll be gaining $29.2. Okay, that is it. Thank you. God bless.